In this exam application tutorial, we're looking at ionic bonding, the question for 6 marks. Explain how magnesium atoms with an electron configuration of 2,8,2 react with oxygen atoms with an electron configuration of 2,6 to form an ionic compound. So, break it down into sub-questions. How many electrons do they both have on their outer shell? What will each atom do to become stable? How does this affect their charge, and why does the bond form? So firstly, magnesium has 2 electrons on its outer shell. Oxygen has 6 electrons on its outer shell, and you can count those here. To gain stability, magnesium will transfer 2 electrons to oxygen. You don't have to write that, but it helps explain the answer fully. So you can see here that the electrons are moving to oxygen. Now when that happens, you get charged particles forming, or ions. So this creates a positively charged magnesium ion because you've lost 2 negatively charged particles, and as a result the outer shell now disappears, and negatively charged oxygen ion because we've now gained 2 electrons. So now we have 2 more electrons than protons in the nucleus, so we have a negative charge of 2, whereas we've lost 2 electrons, so we have 2 more protons than electrons outside, so we have a positive charge of 2. Remember, electrons are negatively charged. Losing them will make you positively charged, gaining them will make you negatively charged. Because the ions have opposite charges, they will attract each other. So the ions have opposite charges, so attract each other. Very logical, step-by-step answer to address this question.